Jared.
Yo!
Oh,
what up? Ready to film it when they drop in.
Let's see what you got. Drop in, do some tricks.
Yeah, bro, this is our like first time skating like a year.
Hey, both drop in at the same time, alright? 1, 2, 3.
Christian. Dun
Dun dun dun dun dun dun dun dun dun dun dun dun dun dun dun dun dun dun dun dun.
Okay.
Alright, let's get out of here. Cops coming.
Where's the next?
I don't know.
We need to go to Inferno Park.
Come on, let's go. That guy's watching us, dude.
Get in my car, I'm not driving past him.
Yeah, drive to the right.
Drive past him and I'll honk it.
No,
Hey, just back in this way. Ah, look at
at
this. He's taking a picture.
McDonald. Oh shit. Shit.
Well, need the property, thank you.
What are you guys so serious for? You guys work at McDonald's. You calm down. It's a fucking fast food store. What? What did you just fucking say? Fucking skinhead?
Pussy!